Hi guys, it's me Samiksha Hawa. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you my version of dewy makeup look. Also, this has been my winter makeup routine. So if you wanna know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. I have already prepped my skin and we are diving straight into the foundation. First, I'm taking the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. I'm gonna be using one pump of this foundation, and then I'm taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation and I'm gonna be using half a pump of this. So for this look, I wanted my base to have light to medium coverage. That's why I'm mixing both of these foundation together. Now to that, I'm adding few drops of Indulgio Rose Gold Oil. It's a very beautiful lightweight oil and it will help us achieve that luminous finish on the skin. Then with the help of a beauty sponge, I'm gonna blend the foundation all over my face. Make sure you're using dabbing motion while blending your foundation. You don't want to drag your beauty sponge while blending it. Also take your time while blending your foundation. So here's a closer look of how the foundation is looking on my skin. Then moving on to the eyes, first I'm taking the Kiko Milano concealer. With the help of this concealer, first I'm going to color correct around my eyes. So for the color correction, you can use either a peach or an orange undertone concealer. Then I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. So this concealer shade is very similar to my skin tone. So this will help me achieve that even base. Now to further brighten up my under eye area, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So this concealer is one shade lighter than my skin tone. So that's why I'm using this to brighten up my face. And I'm only applying this concealer on the inner and outer parts of my under eye area. To set my concealer, I'm taking the Kimchi Chic loose powder and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, and with the help of the same loose powder, I'm gonna set my eyelids. So for my eyeshadow, I'm taking the Faces Canada eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna pick up the brown shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. I'm only going to be working with this shade, so I'm gonna take my time and build up the intensity until I'm happy the way it's looking. Then I'm taking the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil and I'm just going to slightly fill in my eyebrows. So I have naturally thick and bushy eyebrows, so that's why I don't like to do much to my eyebrows. I kind of like that natural looking eyebrows. So that's why I just like to fill in the gaps, and I usually like to focus only on the tail of my eyebrows. Moving on to the lashes, first I'm gonna curl my lashes and then I'm taking the Chambord Volumized Mascara and the Maybelline Lash Lift Mascara. First I'm gonna apply the Chambord Mascara. It has more lengthening effect. Then I'm gonna top it off with the Maybelline Lash Lift. It's a combination of volumizing as well as the lengthening effect. I like my lashes to look more fuller. That's why I combine them both. Then I'm taking the lightest shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'm highlighting my inner corners as well as my brow bone. To finish off my base makeup, first I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Back to Bronze powder and I'm just going to slightly bronze up my face. For blush, I'm taking the Milani Luminoso and the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. I'm gonna be mixing both of these together and gonna apply it on the apples of my cheeks. To set my face, I'm taking the Pixi Glow Mist. Also, this mist will help us maintaining that dewy finish look on our skin. For highlighter, I'm taking the Becca liquid highlighter in the shade Ignite. Oh my god, this highlighter is freaking amazing. It is my absolute favorite highlighter. It is highly pigmented. You just need the smallest amount of this highlighter and it is gonna give you that blinding effect. If you're someone like me who loves highlighter, just go get your hands on this one. You are gonna absolutely love it. For my lips, I'm taking the e.l.f. lipstick. I thought this color would be perfect, but it was looking way too much pink than my liking. So I decided to go on with the e.l.f. liquid lipstick in the shade Paraline to make it a little bit more nude. Then I'm going in with my absolute favorite gloss. It is from Lunar Beauty and I'm just applying it to complete the look. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video. Also, I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Also, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye guys, take care.